not understanding, like, because we used to do magic to keep the water off of the island. To prevent typhoons, we used to do magic to prevent that. Like, we had a ritual that we would do every year, where the high ranking, they called it the magician, he would go to the beach, make a ritual, start a fire, and then like put up, like, to have a whole setup and do this magic to talk to the wave, like, don't come here, you know so we never had typhoons up until we stopped doing what we used to do to keep the water off, which was when we started to switch to Christianity and forgot about our own ways. Our own island started to get messed up because the regular natural spirits of those islands are still around, and we hella forgot about them. And you look at Majo right now, like, what's going on? What did the government do? The Marshallese Nutella, what did they do to the what are they doing now? What have they been doing? Like, it's all connected, because it's crazy. I've been digging for years, and not once did I come across any type of information like this about Marshallese history. And it was like I wasn't able to come to this type of information until I reached like a certain point of awakening and understanding why we are the way we are. Because it's like, in order for us to really reconnect back to our roots, we have to remember. The first thing we have to do is remember, and remember the history. Because as a Rumajo, when we grew up being taught more so Christian history, how we came across the gospel. That's it, though. Like, we don't really have a history of where your own, how did we come, stuff like that. All we know was that the way we live was bad, but we
That's
don't know
because they
how.
instilled that in us to make it seem like it was bad. It's similar to what the Hawaiians went through. They had, before they had Christianity, they had their like way of religion, knowing how the weather would turn out, knowing what to do, what to prevent. They had their way of life. And then Christianity came into their life where they couldn't practice both, where Christianity became dominant in
Yes.
their lifestyle. They lost a lot of things. Same thing with us. It's actually all Pacific Islands.